Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farooq Ahmad Khan and my student ID is 11960. Currently I am in last semester and our project name is Wed the Wedding Spot.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Taimur Abid. My student ID is 11954 and I'm also in my last semester.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Sarim Khan and my student ID is 11948. And currently I am in my last semester and I would like to thank you all of my teachers and my university for helping and guiding us in completing the project, especially our advisors like Sir Tala Vindani, Ms. Nazia Brar and Ms. Misbah Anwar.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Danish and my student ID is 11959 and my FYP project is the wedding spot and I would like to thank to the all teachers and university for their support.
So this is the introduction of our project, the wedding spot. So as you know, everyone these days is doing their task and everything online. For example, everyone nowadays books food from Food Panda. They don't go out for looking out for a cab. They can call it from InDrive, Uber, and there are lots of other applications also. So no one want to leave their comfort zone for these types of tasks. So we saw a problem that whenever we want to book a venue for wedding or a birthday party, we have to go and look out at each venues, and in this kind of heat and traffic, it's a very hard and typical task. So we made a solution and we made a website where you can go and search for according to your needs. For example, the persons you want a venue for, like 200 people, or your budget, or the area you want a venue in, and look at all the options at one place. And you can also have a 3D view of the location, if it suits your needs or if you don't like it or don't like it, and you can shortlist two or one or two, as many as you want, and go and have a look. If you want to confirm also, you can go and have a physical look also. Other if you don't like that, you can just have a 3D view and confirm your booking, and book the venue from our website and also pay online. So these were the problems we solved in our project.
So basically this is our web application, the wedding spot. Basically there are two main users in our web application. First, a vendor and a buyer. If I am logged in as a vendor and if I am using this web application as a vendor, so first of all I have to register myself. For register, I have to click on this button, login as vendor, and I have to create my new account by sign up. So I have to add my details like my name. For example, I'm writing sign. Then my email, then password, confirm password, and click on the sign up button. Sign up successfully. Now if I check in my databases in our vendor login table, so as you can see there is new user registered as a vendor. Sign is the first name, last name, all the information is showing here now. Now if I log in as vendor, now you can see that login successful. Now this is basically the vendor dashboard, and here a vendor can add venue and check their updates. Now if you are a buyer and you want to buy or book some hall, so you have to register yourself as a user. So first of all, now I am sign up, register myself as a user. I am filling all the information. Now sign it successfully. Now if I go to the database and check the users table, so there will be the information of the user Raza and email and password. Now I can log in as a user. For example, if I write wrong password, so it will not allow me to log in. You can see that there is a validation password is invalid. Now if I write the correct password, log in successfully, and I will redirect to the web application. So this is the basically the mechanism of our login and sign up of user and a vendor. Now let's see some code. Basically this is the code of the login page of user. We are fetching the data from the API, and there's a logic of if and else. This is basically the design of the code. This is the sign up page. There's all the logics, data coming from the API and from the Axios, so we are getting the data. This is the backend where all the APIs are. So basically this is the code, and I have already explained the working of my project. So that's it. Thank you.
When a new vendor will log in, he will be shown this page add venue. Here he can write his name, for example Farooq Ahmed Khan. Here he will write his number, and he will upload his halls images or venues images. And he will upload the panorama image for the 360 view of the venue. Here he will add the venue's name. For example, I'm writing Casablanca. Minimum price he can select according to his hall. For example, I'm selecting 1 lakh. Maximum price is I'm selecting 3 lakhs, and area we will have to choose an area from these areas, and I'm selecting Nazmabad. City, I'm selecting Karachi, and capacity I'm writing 100, and rating we will have to write the rating that all venues have been given. For example, a venue has been given a rating on on Google or any other platforms. So for example, my venue has a rating of 4. I will write 4. And advance payment, it will be according to the vendor. For example, it's my whole, so I take 25,000. I have written 25,000. If I want to add additional details, I will write here. For example, no smoking, and services that the vendor will provide. For example, he is providing dressing area, table and chairs, dance floor, groom dressing area. And in requirements, if they require any permit, or he will mention it here. For example, for amplified music, for any open flames, or music end by 11 p.m. So here I will submit, and here we can see on the dashboard that our hall has been added. And here in orders we can see if there are any orders or anyone has booked the venue for any date or any time. We can also edit details and delete our hall.
Hello, uh, now I am explaining the functionality about the user who want to book any venue by using our web app. So here is the home page. We can design our home page and describe our services more about for the user. Uh, this is our about page, so user can know about more our web app, our services. We can provide three services, which is photography, makeup, and a decoration. And all the services have three packages: silver, platinum, and gold, which can added by the admin. We can talk about this later. And this is the venue booking page, where all the venues can show. Here is the filtration, so he can filter about the city, area, price, and the gas. So we also design a 360 view about the hall, so user can easily access more into the hall. Here is the view about the image, which can be a panorama image, so user can view the hall more attractively. So if the user want to book the hall, he can easily press the button book now, then move forward to the checkout page, where the user can, if user want to select any services, so he can select easily. For example, if I select decoration package, for example a gold date, it will be a present or the future date time. According to the user time, he will select what's the requirement about. So here I can type my name, email, phone number, so I super admin or the vendor can easily contact with the user. Then I will press a pay now button. So we connect the Stripe checkout, and here the user can add easily their payment integration, which he want to pay the bill about. So here we can use this email or test card number. So when the user successfully pay the bill, he will redirect to the success page.
As we have discussed before, that there are three type of users. Like one is customer who is going to book their desired venues, and the other one is vendor who is going to upload their venues, and the third one is the super admin. The welcome to this screen, which is the admin panel, and as a super admin, you have all rights or controls to monitor and manage all the venue bookings, and the payments, the services, whatever the requests are going to be made. You can monitor as an super admin through this admin panel. As we can describe this admin panel, that on the left side you can see the sidebar where there are five to say options like dashboard, services, messages, payments, and venue list. And the dashboard will you can see on the dashboard tab the total venues, booked venues, service requests, and payments. Like the how many venues are on our web-based app on our app, and how many venues uh, booked till now, and the services that has been requested by the customers, like all the information that we are going to see on this dashboard. And the another thing is service booking details, like whatever the service customer is going to be booked, that will be shown over here. And the other thing is service hall booking details, where all the detail of customer and the hall, or the venue, whatever the details of the customer and venue, it is going to be show over here, booked venue actually. And as you can see, there are another options like services. uh, on services you can edit the service price, whatever on the front side of our page. We can just update the price or package price by using this tab. And the another one is messages, where all the messages are going to be shown, whatever the vendor or the customer is going to message us. And another one is payment, where all the payments like the advance and about the venue payment, all over the payments are going to be shown in that tab. And then the other one is venue list, where all the venues that has been uploaded yet is going to be shown over here. Show over here. So this is our admin panel, and now I'm going to show you the code side of our admin panel. Whatever we have uh, write the code. This is you are going to see on the screen right now. This is all the annual payments code, about the payments code, whatever we have used the platform or anything. So this is all it. So thank you.
So basically, this is the poster of our project, the wedding spot, in which we have project requirements and other things. So, and this is our the diagram, activity diagram of our project, the block diagram of our project. All the flow is here, and this is the ERD diagram of our project.